How do you swap the liquids in the two glasses without mixing them or throwing any away? It is impossible to pour the orange juice into the blue glass without spilling. So we take a third empty glass labeled temp. We pour the orange juice in the empty glass labeled temp. Now we pour the blue liquid in the glass which has become empty. And then pour the orange guice in the glass which is now empty. So this is the way we swap the liquids in two glasses. To swap them, you need a third, temporary glass. In coding, we call this a temporary variable. You store value A safely, move B into A, and then bring the original A back into B fix. Please look at the Python code above. What about counting? A computer doesn't just know how many items exist. It starts a variable at 0, loops through the items, and adds 1 each time. Computers make decisions using forks in the road. If a condition is true, path X happens. If it is false, path Y happens. A computer doesn't want to create 100 separate variables for 100 items. Instead, it uses an array which is just like an egg carton. It keeps a list of items ordered in one single box. But here is the catch. Computers are weird. They don't start counting at 1. The very first slot in an array is always index 0. Imagine you need to update every single item in your array. You don't write code for each slot individually. You use a for loop. It tells the computer, start at the beginning, do this action to the item, move to the next one, and repeat until you hit the end. A for loop runs a specific number of times. A while loop runs until a condition changes. Think of eating cereal. While the bowl is not empty, keep taking a spoonful. The moment the condition becomes false, boom, you stop. The warning, infinite loop. If you forget to change the condition, like having a magical bowl that never empties, the computer gets stuck forever. That is an infinite loop, and it's how programs crash. Coding isn't about memorizing weird symbols. It's just solving real-world logic puzzles using digital boxes. Which basic coding concept should we look inside next? Let me know below. Please comment if you have any question. That was fun.
Subscribe and join the journey bright. Keep learning, keep building day and night. See